Government ikakuza municipality yaho imo kwikaha rurengo rwo rurembo mwaka gw'2021 bita batora bo mu rurembo hamwe n'abebembeza bamwe nabagira ngo ebyombeko bya government nk'amarwariro hamwe n'amashomero bikuzire munonga habwo kuba bikombeko mu myaka ya 50. Ebi byagambwa obu government yabanetandiko mu rumo gukombeka icombeko c'izarro na nabana ahirware rya Karongo Health Center ya Kashatu erukuza kumaraho miliyoni 400.
Akubo kunuramu okuzara kwa bakazi abembambiro on average abakazi nsangi kimanisa bulikira kuzara on average abakazi basatu uyisanga ibitabu tibi kumara space te kumara kandi tali mu privacy kurungi bonakufunya no counseling ola kutagira hali ebisabi muri kubi ikintu kitutalimaniza omirimu yaitu.
Dr. Joseph Riyonga oriyo munyishenjero wa division ya Hoyuma West yagamba ngo bagerezeho okushaka sente zo kuhunduza ebyombeko kandi ngo government eriyo nebahereza amasiko ngo neja kubikoraho kandi umurumo n'ugwija gukorwa UPDF
kandi plan teri ka standard so twagamba as of now ikatupe structure ku standard ndazi structure zero henkuru za 1970, 1968 and so forth. With the time, when we get more money, to demolishing, to take over structures as in the Kurungi.
They had put in the plan for Health Center 4, which was going to 700 million. But the money allocated for Karongo was 400 million for the maternity ward of Health Center 3. So maybe the leadership of the district have intention of elevating this one to Health Center 4. You never know, but we shall go slowly until we reach there. I know one time it may be elevated.
Izareri narizararwamo abakazi bashatu buri izuba otireho n'abakurindira 10 abazara 10 na n'ebitanda by'abana 10. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose n'uwagaba Katoto.